Button, and we are set. Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to the IndieCommerce webinar. I am Geeta Nathan, and joining me today is Shanti, my colleague. So today we are going to talk to you about discount coupons. We started the whole series on discount coupons on June 9th, which was part 1. And in the part 1 of the series, just one second. Okay, in part 1 of the discount coupon series, we talked about some of the basic configurations for discount coupons. Some basic topics about how to configure your IndieCommerce site to accept coupons and creating simple coupons. There are various options, but then these were just simple coupons. And placing an order as a customer to apply the coupon, and also understanding some of the reports that can be used for coupons. Like the coupon module comes with a coupon usage report, and also you can customize the order report to display the coupon code with each order. And today we move on to part 2 of the discount coupon series, and here we are going to talk about a little more advanced topics. So today we will talk about some of the various display options that you have, how you can customize the message that a customer will see when a coupon is applied during checkout, and how you can combine multiple coupons in one order, creating coupons in bulk, and applying coupons automatically to an order, and also applying coupons to a product bundle. As we go through each one of these, we have some good examples and use cases, and that will help us talk about this in more detail. And as like every other webinar that we have done, this will be a 60-minute presentation. During the presentation, the participants' microphones are muted. And at the end of the presentation, we will have time for questions. And if you have any questions during the presentation, feel free to type it into the question box that you see on your GoToWebinar panel, and we will address the questions in the order in which they were received. So without any delay, I'm going to hand it over to Shanti. She will start the presentation today. Shanti will talk about the display options, about combining multiple coupons and creating coupons in bulk. And when she's done, I will talk about the applying coupons automatically and about using coupons for product bundles. So be patient for a minute or so while we switch it over to Shanti. Shanti, you're on.
Hi. Yes, thank you. Of course, welcome to part 2 of our coupon webinar. As Geeta had explained to you, today I will be going over some options that are available for coupons. Basically, those options are display options, combinations, and bulk coupons. Now, all of these coupons options can be found on the coupon creation page. So a coupon display option allows you to customize the line item message and the message at the top of the page when a coupon is applied. So to demonstrate that to you, what I am going to do is I have an item in the cart already, and I already have a coupon that has been created. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to my cart, and the coupon is $10 off. And what this will do is display the default message that is pre-configured. And of course, you see the coupon is $10 off, so it displayed the name here, the coupon code, and a message here indicating to you that a discount of $10 has been applied to the order. Now, before we go any further, if you don't see the line item here, what you have to do is check your coupon module setting. And so we're just going to go there briefly to a store configuration, coupon module setting. And you can make sure that this area here is checked, show coupons as an item in the cart. If this is not checked, the coupon line item will not appear in your cart. And also, while we're here on this page, if you see here the default line item title format, this is where you can set what is displayed on the line item that we just saw. And currently it is set to display the code, but you can also set it to display the name or any other value. But for our purposes, and I think in general, keeping it as the code is a good idea. Because we can override these this display in the coupon itself if we need to override it later. Okay, so now I'm going to go and create a new coupon. It's going to be 11 off. So I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to just demonstrate to you how to use the display option to change the message and show you what it looks like. So what we're going to do now is go to Store, Coupons, Add New Coupon. It is going to be an $11 off coupon. I'm going to call it 11 off. I'm going to make sure that the coupon is active, so always check this box here if you want to use it right away, in case you also want to test this coupon too once it's done. So this 11 off, so it is a $11, so I'm just entering $11 off, so that's a fixed number. So we're only going to apply this discount to the order subtotal, and we will not put a restriction on the number of redemptions. So now we're going to scroll down, and this is a very simple coupon. The only thing we're making changes to is the display option. So it's 11 off coupon applied. And then I'm going to say, and 11 a discount of $11 has been applied to this order. And then you can say something like, thank you for shopping with us. And I'm going to save this coupon. And once a coupon is created, of course, it comes here into the coupon page where it lists all the coupons that are available. So now that we've created the coupon, I'm going to go back to our home page, and I'm going to go back to my shopping cart, and I am going to remove the other coupon that we used. I'm going to apply the new coupon so that I can see the message that I just added. So apply to order. As you can see, it now says 11 off coupon applied, what I typed in the display option, and what I typed up here in the message for the display option. So that is how you could change this display option. And there are other cases where this will be embedded in use, and I'll show you that in a little bit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a combination now. I'm going to create a new coupon. I'm going to combine it with this coupon that we have, just to demonstrate to you how we're going to use the combinations option for coupon. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to coupons, add new coupon. And this coupon will be for a specific book. It will be $5 off a specific book. So and that book is the Star Wars coloring book. So it's $5 off a Star Wars coloring book. I'm going to make it, the coupon is active. I'm going to make it $5 off. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to keep it as an order subtotal. On the order subtotal, we're not going to have a maximum number of redemptions for this order either. And we are going to set it to combine with the other coupon that we just created. Now, when you're setting coupons to combine, you have to set the combinations for both coupons. So I'm going to set it here, and once I'm done with this coupon, in order for it to work successfully, I have to go back to the previous coupon, which is the 11 off coupon, and also set the combination here. Now I'm going to also set the display option for this, and I can be more specific here in my message here. So it's going to be $5 Star Wars coloring book. So now I'm going to put down $5 discount has been applied to the Star Wars coloring book. And thank you. With us. Okay, so there you go. So that will be my message. And here, since I know that I will restrict my coupon, which I will also have to restrict the coupon. So I'm going to go and I'm going to grab my code. And grab my code here. Since I'm adding that restriction, I should remember to put it here. So I'm adding it, the ISBN to the applicable SKUs option. And I'm adding the combination to combine it with the other coupon here. And I'm adding the display options here. So now I'm going to save. So this coupon will only work for the Star Wars coloring book. So now I'm going to have to go back to the 11 off coupon. I'm going to go to edit. And I'm going to scroll down to combinations. And I'm going to choose $5 Star Wars coloring book. And I'm going to save. So now let's test out our coupon. See how the combination works. And you can see I already have the other coupon applied here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to enter the other coupon to apply. You see it did not work. Now, it's probably because I did not check my settings. So let's go to Store Configuration, Coupon Module Settings. My coupon, allow multiple coupons to apply to a single order. This is checked, actually. This is checked, so that's good. So something else is wrong with my coupon. I may be forgetting to do something with it. So let me go back to coupons for a second. Just want to make sure $5 off. I'm selecting the proper 11 off coupon here. This is for the $5 off Star Wars, and that is correct. Now I'm going to go to 11 off coupon. I want to make sure I'm picking the right one. $5 off coupon applied. Okay. So let's go back out again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to hit. Oh, I did not add my book. Duh. So I'm going to enter this again. I am going to find my book. Sorry about that. I'm going to add the coloring book. Of course, it did not work. It was not supposed to work because I did not add my coloring book to the order. Okay, so now it should work. So let's go. And there you are. Yes, $5 off Star Wars coloring book. It's more specific because I know the book that I'm discounting, and I can also make it more specific here as well, and just add a personalized message here as well. Okay, so that is how you apply. So now I'm just going to complete checkout actually for this order, so we can see what it looks like on the order page. I'm just going to keep on going through the page, and you can also see that the active coupons are listed here in this location as well. So I'm going to next. I'm just going to do a quick store pickup, and I'm going to do a pay in store. Next, fill in my address here. I'm just going to fill in ABA's address here in White Plains. So, and this, I have to enter the phone number because it's required. Next, and I'll just enter a title. Comment. Okay, review order. And you can see here on the view order page that both coupons were applied. Down there. And you scroll down, submit the order. Okay, so the order's been completed. And now we can also view this order just to see what it looks like on the orders view page. So here, for combination coupons, because we're using 2 coupons, and I've set up a coupon column here for the coupons that are used in the orders to be displayed. Because we have 2 coupons for this particular order, it shows up twice. I just want you guys to be aware that you will see 2 orders listed twice for combination coupons. Okay, so there it is.
And Shanti, it's
yes.
When you're in the order page, you do see 2 lines, as Shanti mentioned. That is because she has added the coupon column to the end of the report. But if you don't have that column, this page will be just like how you have it now. It'll be 1 line per order. It's because of the coupon column it's showing us 2. This is just an example because sometimes we understand that store admins, order admins can get confused when they see 2 lines for every order. So you can actually create a custom order report if you want to check the coupons applied to orders instead of changing it in this default order view. And Shanti, do you also want to show the coupon usage report to see how these 2 coupons show? Okay.
So we'll go to the reports here, store reports, coupon usage reports. And I'm just going to push the date back a little bit. These are not completed orders, so they're in pending. So display report. Okay, and you will see the order that just was placed was here, this order here, 11 off and 5 off on this date, the 28th, so it's 343. So you see they also show up twice also on the coupon report for the different coupon that was used in the order. So just be aware of that too when you're looking at the coupon usage report that we have here. Okay. Okay, so our next thing, now that we have that, so far, we've demonstrated how to create 1 coupon at a time. So now what we could do is also create bulk coupons. So bulk coupons can be used to store promotions like an anniversary, a summer blowout sale, working with schools, and holiday gift bags. So the advantages to creating it, the advantage of a bulk coupon is that you can create it all at once. So let's do that. So I'm going to go to Store, Coupons, Add New Coupon. So I am going to create just a simple bulk coupon. I'm just going to do it to celebrate summer. It's like a summer celebration coupon. And I'm going to offer people 20% off. So the 20% off summer sale. So I'm going to call it 20 summer sale, 20 SS. The coupon is active, and I'm going to expand the bulk coupon code option here. I'm going to click on Enable Bulk Generation of Coupon Codes, and here the number of codes to generate. Now I could choose up to any number that I want, but usually I will say I'm going to give this code to the first 10 people, or 50 or 20, whichever number that you prefer that comes into the store or makes a purchase at the store. For my purposes today, I'm just going to do 10. So in the code length, you can choose a variety, a number of lengths, but the least is 8. And this code length will be appended to this code here. So if I want to make this longer, the code will be summer, 20 summer plus 8 different characters after this. So I'm just going to keep it short, actually, so it'll be easier to look at for me. Okay, so I'm going to put 20%. My coupon's already active. I'm just going to apply it to the order subtotal. And I'm going to scroll down. I do want to only read this, the bulk coupon, each individual code to be redeemed only once. So I will do that, keep that restriction. And then I'm going to scroll down, and I am going to also add display option, line item title here. So so it's 20%, oops, 20%. Save coupon. Okay, so now I can see here on the coupon view page that it says bulk here. It has 20% off summer sale. So I'm going to go in to look at this closely, and I can see that for bulk coupons, I can either print them all at once and click on here, and you can see all the coupons will be listed, and they all have a different code appended, the 8 characters appended to the original code that I entered for the coupon itself. And it gives the person who gets this coupon code, tells them where to go to purchase it, tells them the code to enter. And this can be customized outside of your Drupal site. If you don't like the way it looks when you generate these codes, you can create your own form, and then you just have to plug in this information and hand it out to the customer or put it in their gift bag as you see appropriate. And you also have an option to download the code into a CSV file so that you can keep track of the codes if you want to, or you can print them out individually, one at a time. Okay, so now we're going to use the first code on the list here. We're going to use that to buy something on this site. So I'm going to put this into the cart, add to cart. I'm going to use my code. Okay, so here's the coupon code. I'm going to apply to the order. And you can see my display option, my customized display option that has changed to what I wanted to say. So I can go ahead and I'm going to go into checkout. I'm just going to quickly complete this coupon so you can see that it's listed here. And I'm going to go to store pickup, pay at the store. I already have an address saved there. I'm going to go there, and then I'm going to go review order. And you can see coupon is there. I'm going to submit order. And then we're going to go to see the orders again, just to show you how it will appear. The coupon code itself will appear, as you can see. This is the unique code that I just entered. Now I'm going to try to place this again, and it should not work. So I'm just going to go here, just to show you that the system should recognize that it is a one-time only code. As you can see, the message is this coupon has reached the maximum redemption limit. So this coupon can no longer be used. And the other thing about coupon codes, there is one disadvantage actually to using the coupon code, and that it's not very descriptive, as you can see. That is why I changed the line item to make it more descriptive. The code could be a bit long, and you cannot use it with automatic coupons. And with that said, I am going to turn this over to Geeta, and she will discuss automatic coupons and automatic coupons for product bundles. So if you hold on just for a moment, I will switch this over. So hold on and thank you.
Hi, welcome. This is Geeta. Are you able to see my screen, Shanti?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you, Shanti, for that detailed description about customizing coupons and bulk coupons and combining coupons. The next step is we are going to talk about how to apply coupons automatically for a particular user on your site. Let's say you have teachers who regularly purchase books on your site, and you want to give a teacher a special discount of 15%. So there are several steps involved in creating this. First, the system has to understand that the user is a teacher, which means the customer has to first log in. So the system understands that the logged in customer is a teacher. So the teacher has to be a role in your website. Just like how you have different store admin roles, we have to create a teacher role. And all these teachers, when they create an account on your site, you have to give them a teacher role. And once that role is created, then we create the coupon, and then we tell the system that if the logged in customer is a teacher, then this coupon has to be applied automatically. Before we go into the details of the coupons and how to set it up, we first have to have a brief introduction to what is called rules. Some of you may have already used this on your IndieCommerce site. Rules is a very important feature for Drupal, and we can have a couple of webinars just to talk about rules. It's a very to have a very in-depth understanding of what rules are and how to use them on the website. But today we are not going to go into depths about rules. We are just going to have a brief introduction to rules, just enough for us to understand how to use this in the automated coupons. So in briefly, to say what rules are, the rules module allows site administrators to create actions that are automatically triggered by events under certain conditions. So this actually helps us with these coupons because the action is going to be to apply a coupon automatically. The conditions are if you want to apply any conditions to the coupon. Sorry, the event is when a coupon is applied automatically. The condition is any condition you apply to the coupon, and then the action is to apply the coupon. So every rule has three parts to it: the event, the conditions, and the action. There are several rules on your IndieCommerce site. Some you might have looked at them, you might have used them, or you might have actually modified some of the default coupons at some point. Let's say a customer places an order on the website. When they finish checkout, the customer gets an email. That happens because of a rule that is set up on your IndieCommerce site. And the order admin gets an email. And that again happens because of a rule. And sometimes you may have noticed that when you go to edit an order, and let's say the order was paid for at the store. Let's take a look at the order. So yeah, let's take this order. So this order was paid for at the store. And the general best practice for processing orders is for us to go in here and then enter a payment for the order. So the order amount is $26.50. So I'm going to enter $26.50, and the comment is it was paid for at the store, and then enter. So what happens here is I entered a payment for this order. Now the order balance becomes 0. Now if you go back and look at the order page, the order status is automatically changed to payment received. You did not change it, but the system does it because that is being triggered by a rule. Anytime your order balance becomes $0, the status automatically becomes payment received. So in order to look at the rules, like if you go to configuration, workflow, rules on your site, and you can see all these rules. This particular site has a lot of rules, but please note that as default, you should see at least 4 or 5 rules here. The email customer checkout notification, this is a default rule. And the email admin notification, this is a default rule. Update order status on full payment, this is a default rule. The 3 examples that I mentioned now. So in addition to this, you can go in and create any rule you want. As I said, the rule has 3 components to it. First is what triggers the rule, what conditions have to be met, and what action you want to take. If you want to actually create a rule, the best thing is for you to start off with something very basic. Like let's say a customer does a checkout. At the end of checkout, you want to display a message at the checkout complete screen. You can create a rule for that. So that is a simple rule that you can try to get more familiarized with the
sorry
rules.
to interrupt you,
Go
but
ahead, Kathy.
I'm only seeing your I'm not seeing your screen.
Oh,
Yeah, I thought that I was the only one.
oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I can see it now.
Okay. Sorry about that. Actually, this is the first time Shanti and I are in different locations. Like we can show hand signals to each other because I'm home and she's in the office. I apologize for that. Okay, so let's go back to what I was talking about before. So we were talking about the rules. And yes, okay. So this is what I was showing before. So a rule, it has the actions, the event, and then the condition. And we talked about 3 different rules that are available on all IndieCommerce sites, at least these 3, the customer order email, the admin order email, and the order status. Okay, and let's take a look at, like if you want to look at the rules, you go to configuration, workflow, rules, and this is the page I was mentioning before. You see all the rules that are available. And again, this particular site, because this is a test site and we have tested different kinds of rules, you see a lot more rules here. But usually on any site, you should see at least 4 or 5 rules. They are created on all IndieCommerce sites. So let's move on to how to create coupons that can be applied automatically on your site. So the first step is you have to create a teacher role. Store admins do not have access to create the teacher role. So if you need to use automatic coupons on your site, please write to us and we will create the teacher role. Just like how you have different roles like a store admin or a store editor or an order admin, a teacher would be a role on your site. And once it's created, next, let's say you have teachers who shop regularly on your site. You have to let the teachers know that they first have to create an account on the site. So they create an account and they let you know what the email address is for their account. So as store admins, you have access to grant them the teacher role. So how do you do that? You go to store, configuration, store roles. So I created so let me do that on this site. Okay. I'm going to first log in as a store admin. And let's see. Okay, I look here, then I see the teacher roles. That means my site is set up to use teacher roles. So next, I want the teachers to create an account. Let's see if this email address is the email that is associated with an account that I had created earlier on the site. And I want to give this account a teacher role. So I use the teacher role and then I assign the role. So now if you look down, you see that this particular user has been granted the teacher role. So this is done. So the next step is for us to create the coupon. So store, coupon, add new coupon. Before we create a new coupon, let's make sure there are no duplicates here. Okay, so let's create a new coupon. I'm going to call this teacher 15, which means I'm giving 15% discount to teachers. And then the code is 15. The coupon is active. It's a 15% off coupon. Since the focus of this exercise is to show how we can apply coupons automatically, I'm going to use a very simple coupon, which is just applying to an order subtotal. But you can use any conditions here if you want, depending on how you want the coupons to behave. And no restrictions. And important here is I want to restrict this coupon only for teachers. So which means I'm going to use the role restriction. And once you start typing in, you can get all the options based on the rules that you have on your site. So I'm going to restrict this coupon to teachers. And if you, as Shanti mentioned, if you want to, you can customize the line item format or the message. But I'm not going to do that now. So let's see how this works. So now I have created a teacher 15 coupon, which applies a 15% discount for anyone who makes a purchase and if they have a teacher role. Okay, right now this coupon is not automated. So I'm going to log in. Now just to show how this coupon works right out of the box, I'm going to add something to the cart. Right now I'm not logged in, I'm an anonymous user. So I'm still going to try the teacher 15 coupon to see what happens. And I apply to the order. Since I'm not a teacher and this coupon is restricted to teachers only, I'm not able to use this coupon. So let me now log in using my teacher account. Okay, I'm now logged in as a teacher. And now let me apply the coupon. And now it accepts my coupon and I'm getting a discount. I didn't change the message I did not customize the message. So this is the default message that the coupon module creates. So this works fine. So as long as I'm a teacher, I can use this coupon. But I have to type in the coupon code here. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So our next step is how to automate this. You want to make it easy for the teachers to come to your website and shop. So let's make it easy. So what we have to do, so let me log out from my teacher account. And log back in as a store admin. Shanti, is everything looking okay?
Yes.
Thank you. So now I'm going to add the condition. This is where the roles come into the picture. So I have to create a new role. So I go to configuration. workflow rules. So let me make sure there are no other automated coupon rules. Okay, so in order to add rules, you say add new rule. You have to give a name for the rule. This is just for admin purposes. The customers are not going to see it. And what is the event? So when do you want this rule to be triggered? We want it to be triggered when the system is checking for automatic discounts. So that's what you select as the event, and then you save. So once you save it, the rule will appear here as a list of enabled rules. Now we have to go in to edit this. So we have the event, which is checking for automatic discounts here. So this is ready. Next, conditions. For this particular coupon, we don't need any extra conditions because already we have added that extra condition to the coupon itself that it can be applied only for the teacher roles. All we are doing here is to make it happen automatically. So we don't need any extra conditions here. Now, but we need action. What should the system do? You say apply a coupon to the current order. If you read through this part up here, it actually explains how the automatic coupon works. So we are going to apply it automatically. So here, first you select the coupon that needs to be applied. So we are using the teacher 15, and we want to apply the coupon automatically. So we check this one, which says apply the coupon as an automatic discount. And this will work only if check for automatic discount is the event, which is what we used. Check for automatic discount is the event that we selected, so this will work. And I'm not going to change any of this, but if you want to, you can. Now I saved it. So we have created the rule. So it's going to check for automatic discounts. We don't have any extra conditions here, and we are going to apply the coupon automatically for teachers. And save. Okay. So now I'm going to log back in as a teacher. Since I already have a coupon, let me see if it, okay. This is the order that I placed before. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish the checkout for this, so it does not interfere with my new conditions. I'm just going to quickly go through checkout. Okay. Now let's start a fresh checkout. So I'm logged in as a teacher. Yes, I'm logged in as a teacher, just making sure I'm in the right account. Okay. So now let me add a book to my cart. And do you see this? This is the automatic coupon. I didn't have to enter the coupon code. The system recognizes me as a teacher because I'm logged in, and the rule kicks in. And so it's checking for the coupons, and it's trying to look for any automatic coupons. It sees the teacher 15 coupon, and then it applies it automatically. So this is pretty simple. So there are several steps involved, but once you have it done, it's simple. So you have to create a role, which you have to contact us. We will create the role for you. It doesn't have to be teachers. This is just an example. We can create as many roles as you want. Then you create the coupons and then add a restriction to the coupon So it applies only for those roles, and then you create the role. And once it's done, whenever you're logged in as a teacher or that particular role, this coupon will apply automatically. And anytime an automatic coupon is applied, if you have the special discounts pane enabled on your checkout, you can see that this will be listed as a special discount. This is a special pane. And the coupon is applied. I can just go through checkout again. The only reason, sorry, yes, Shanti?
And we also recommend that they keep the coupon, the special discount above the coupon pane.
Yes, that's important. Yes. Because in general, when you look at the checkout panes, the discount coupon pane has to be on top, right after the customer information. The reason being, before you calculate shipping or they go in to pay, it is important the coupon discounts are applied. So you have to have the coupon pane right here, right below the customer information. And it's also important to have the special discounts right here, because now they know that the coupon has already been applied. So they understand that where that discount is coming from. And let me finish the checkout. Okay, so that went through. And when you look as an order admin, as a store admin, when you process the orders, you don't see anything different with these orders. It is just like a coupon is applied to the order. The only difference is the person who is using the coupon, they don't have to enter the code. It's applied automatically. It makes it so much easier. And this would be a good tool for you to attract more customers into your website. And Shanti mentioned about combining coupons. It is possible to combine an automatic coupon with a regular coupon. That works too. You just have to make sure that on both coupons, you mention that they have to be combined with the other coupon. The same settings that Shanti went through will work the same way, exactly the same thing, and you can combine an automatic coupon with a regular coupon. So if it's a teacher, the automatic coupon applies automatically, and then in the discount coupon pane, they can actually go in and enter another coupon, and both coupons will apply. And also with combining coupons, if there are two coupons, the first one, the order in which the coupons is applied will be the order in which they actually enter the coupon. So the first one is applied, let's say it's a $10 order, and the first coupon is 10% off, and the second coupon is 5% off. The first coupon, 10% off, is first applied, so the order becomes $9, and then the 5% is then applied to the $9, not to the $10, but it's applied to the $9. That's important to note when you combine coupons. And if for some reason the customers decide to switch the way they use it, then the order total is going to be slightly different. Okay, so now we have covered automatic coupons. And a special use case of automatic coupons is you can apply a coupon for a bundle. Like, let's say there are two products you want to promote, two books written by the same author, or two books from a series. And you want to promote saying that if a customer purchases both the books, then they get a discount, an automatic discount. So the procedure for setting that up would be exactly the same as this, except instead of using a role restriction, you're going to have restrictions by ISBN, and the restrictions will be applied both to the coupon and to the role. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to log off and then log back in as a store admin. So for this one, let's say I'm going to promote these two titles, the Gillian Flynn titles, and if a customer is purchasing these two titles, I want to give them $5 off their total order total. So I'm going to first start with the coupon, add new coupon. I'm going to cheat a little bit here. I'm going to grab this from another site. The coupon is active and it is $5 off. And again, I'm applying to the order subtotal. I don't want any restrictions. And the only restriction that I have here is the applicable SKUs. And again, you can change the display option. I think in this case, it would be good to display what the special discount is for. Okay, so this is the coupon that I created, save $5 of Gillian Flynn titles. So if an order has the two books, then we want to give a 5% off automatically. But here it's important to note that when I created the coupon, I just added a restriction for the ISBN, which means if this coupon code is available for any customer and if they want to use it for an order, it will work, because as it is, this coupon is active and the coupon is going to check for the ISBN. The coupon is configured to apply for those two ISBNs and it'll work. So one tricky thing is, for something like this, it was better not to display the coupon code anywhere on the site, even during checkout, because you just want it to apply automatically, like as part of a promo program. So now the coupon is created. Next, let's take care of the rule for it. I'm going to create a new rule. Again, the event would be check for automatic discounts. Okay, so you have the event which is going to check for automatic discounts. Now, in this particular rule, it is important for us to add a condition. We want to make sure that both books are in the shopping cart in order to apply automatically. So let's add condition. So when you want to add condition, when you have plenty of conditions which are offered by the system. You can choose any one of these when you create other rules. For this purpose, we are going to look at the ordered product and we are going to check an order's products by ISBN. And it gives you a field where you can just put in the ISBN of that you're checking for. So you put in the ISBN here. And we don't care if there are other products in the cart. And we don't think that this should be the only items in the cart. So these are default. You don't have to change anything, and you save. So this is one condition. We want to check that the order has both ISBNs, which means it has to have this ISBN and the other ISBN. So we are going to add a condition. And again, we are going to check for the product's ISBN. And here we put in the other ISBN we want to check. And save. So now we have, by default, if you have several conditions here, they are all AND conditions. Unless you want to create an OR, then by default, they all appear as AND conditions. So we are checking for these two ISBNs, and then next is you want to add the action, which is to apply the discount, which is the same as before. Apply the coupon to the current order. And again, here you have to select the coupon. So in this case, it is the Save 5 Gillian Flynn, and we want to make sure it's applied automatically and save. Okay, So now the rule is ready. So you're going to check for automatic discounts, and then you have these two conditions. So you want to make sure that this is applied automatically only if both ISBNs, both books are in the shopping cart, and you apply it automatically, and the coupon that you want to apply automatically. So we are all set. And here, there is no restriction for a role. We are not restricting this coupon for teachers or anything. So I'm not going to log out. I'm still as a store admin. I'm just going to test it as a store admin. So first, I add this book to the shopping cart. Add to the shopping cart. And nothing happens because it is just one book and nothing happens. So I go back and let me add the other title. And now this coupon has been automatically applied to my order. It gives $5 off my order total. So, and if I go to checkout, under special, you see this here as a cart line item. It's applying the special discounts, and under special discounts, it clearly indicates what the special discount has been applied. And again, this is an automatic coupon. So if I have another coupon which is configured to be combined with this, then I can always put that coupon code here and then apply. And you can just go through checkout and it'll apply the coupon for this order. So I think that brings us to the end of the actual presentation that we had. So today we talked about, let me go back here. So today we talked about how to customize the display options, how to combine coupons, how to create bulk coupons, applying coupons automatically, and also applying coupons to a product bundle. The product bundle can come in handy in different situations. Actually, I was at the Children's Institute last week in Orlando, and when I was talking to a lot of these children's bookstores, I thought that was the first time I realized that they do sell bundles. Like they have books and they have stuffed animals which go with those books. So one store actually asked me how they can promote the two together so customers will actually know they have a stuffed animal and they want to promote that along with the book. And this would be a good way to do it. So all it needs is you have to display it right on the website somewhere that if they purchase those two, then they automatically get certain like a couple of dollars off their order total. So it's very helpful in that case. And also if they have a series, books in a series, then you can offer this coupon. So that kind of brings us to the end of the presentation that we had. And we are now open for questions. If you have any question, you can actually type it in the question box, or you can actually raise your hand, hit that hand icon on your GoToWebinar panel. You can raise your hand and we will unmute you and you can actually ask your question too. And Shanti, did we cover everything? Is there something that you want to add at this point?
I believe we covered everything.
Okay. Let me go through the questions. There's one question. Is there a way to exclude combinations on roles? If I don't want teachers to be able to use a $10 coupon, but want them to be able to always have off the 15%. Yes, you can. Let's. So, Chris, I'm going to unmute your microphone so that we can get a clarification on this question. So what you want is, if it is a teacher role, you want them to use the 15% off, but you do not want them to use the $10 coupon. Is that it?
I want it that that if they always have off one coupon, like if I always give them that 15% off, that if another coupon comes up, that they cannot combine those two. So if we have a special on something else, they would not be able to have that on their particular sale, I guess. One or the other, I suppose, is what I'm trying to say.
Okay. So, but if you set up a coupon, like let's say you set up the 15% as an automatic coupon, then that gets applied automatically. They won't have an option to opt out of it.
So then in that case, is there a way so that they just don't qualify for the $10 coupon if I wanted to do that?
Yes, you can. When you set up the coupon, let me show you quickly. So let's take a look at one of the coupons. Let's say we have the back to school coupon, which is a 10% off. One of the we talked about role restrictions. So here you're saying that allow this coupon to only users with the roles listed below. But then you also have the other options where you can allow this coupon for users with all roles except those listed below. So here you would add the teacher role, which means this coupon cannot be used by teachers.
Okay.
Yeah. If you look at all the conditions, you usually have either inclusive or anything other than. You'll have two radio buttons for most of the conditions here. And last week we had the webinar on the first, not last week, on June 9th, we had the part 1 discount coupon webinar. And the recording of that is available on bookweb.org. And also all the documents related to what we discussed today, they are all available under the IndieCommerce Help Center. And tomorrow, you will get a follow-up email for this webinar, and we will include the links to all the topics that we discussed today. I believe it is, yep, it is under e-commerce administration discount coupons. So this document kind of covers everything that we did last week and what we did today. Okay, if there are no more questions, I think we are going to finish the webinar here today. And next week on Thursday, we hope to have an open Q&A session. No registration required. One IndieCommerce staff will be available on the webinar, so you can just jump in anytime between 2 and 3 if you have any questions based on today's presentation or any IndieCommerce topic. We are happy to discuss it. And we will post the link and the sign up link and the topics for part 3 of the discount coupon webinar, which will be in 2 weeks. And thank you again for joining this webinar, and we hope to see you in future webinars. Thank you.